Before you learn Python, AI, or data structures, there's one thing you must understand first: the computer itself. Because if you don't understand how a computer works, coding will feel confusing instead of powerful. So, in this video, we are going to build a foundation from zero. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're someone who wants to start Python, DSA, or AI but feels lost at the basics, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain what a computer is, how it evolved, its components, memory, CPU, hardware, software, everything you need to get started. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple and practical. So first, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes input, processes it, and gives output. Let's simplify that. You give it something like typing on a keyboard, it processes that information and then it gives you a result, like showing text on the screen. Just like human brain, but much faster and more accurate. Next comes the history of computers. Computers didn't always look like this. The first computers were huge. They filled entire rooms. We divide computer history into generations. First generation used vacuum tubes, very large and slow. Second generation used transistors, smaller and faster. Third generation introduced integrated circuits. Fourth generation brought microprocessors. This is where modern computers started. And now we are in fifth generation focused on AI. So computers evolved from huge machines to powerful devices in your pocket. The characteristics of computers. Computers have some important characteristics. They are extremely fast. They can perform millions of calculations in seconds. They are accurate. If the input is correct, the output is also correct. They have huge storage capacity. And they can work automatically once instructed. This is why computers are used everywhere. Next, we'll learn about applications of computers. Computers are used in almost every field today. In education, for online learning. In banking, for transactions. In healthcare, for patient records. And in AI, where machines learn and make decisions. So learning computers open door to many careers. Next comes components of a computer. A computer system has four main components: input, processing, output, and storage. Input, where data is given; processing, where data is handled; output, where results are shown; and storage, where data is saved. All these components work together to make a computer function. Next comes the important topic: hardware versus software. Hardware is the physical part of a computer. Things you can touch, like keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Software is the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Without software, hardware is useless, and without hardware, software cannot run. Both depend on each other. Next comes the CPU. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. It controls all operations. It has two main parts, the CU and ALU. CU stands for control unit and ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. The control unit directs operations and the ALU performs calculations. So every task you do on a computer passes through the CPU. Input and output devices. Input devices are used to give data to the computer. Examples are keyboard, mouse, and microphone. Output devices shows the result. Examples are monitor, printer, and speakers. Input brings data in and output sends results out. Computer memory. Computer memory stores data. There are two main types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory includes RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is temporary. Data is lost when power is off, but ROM is permanent. Secondary memory. Secondary memory includes hard drives and SSDs, used for long-term storage. Classification of software. Software is divided into two main types: system software and application software. System software, like operating systems, which control the computer. Application software, like apps we use, such as browsers or editors. Both are essential for using a computer effectively. Now, you have a strong foundation of how computers work. In next video, we'll cover some Python topics. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start your coding journey.